Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Reolink Altas Bullet. This is a compact workhorse of the Reolink solar-powered standalone Wi-Fi cameras. Its form factor allows it to be placed in any location discreetly, yet it packs a full feature set of much larger cameras that cost much more money. However, the Atlas has a super feature that sets it apart from the rest on the market. So let's dive on in and see what makes the Reolink Altas Bullet the hidden gem of the lineup. In the box, you get everything you need to be up and running in a few minutes. First off, you get the Reolink Altas Bullet itself. Now, this is one of the most solid and weighty bullet-shaped solar-power battery cameras I've reviewed, while being very compact for the feature set, and there's a good reason for that weight, which we'll cover later in the video. Measuring in at 126mm long, 78mm tall and 76mm wide, and weighing in at 554 grams, proving that great things do come in small packages. The unit has a standard 1/4 inch screw connection at the rear to allow for easy mounting to the supplied excellent UV resistant ball and socket mounting. I've used these extensively and found them to be one of the most reliable and resilient mountings from either supplied or purchased wall mountings. If you're mounting on a gutter, I prefer this gutter mount. This allows for the solar panel and the camera all to be mounted in one unit. Links in the description. Reolink also provide a pole mount or tree mount, which is simple but very effective. So wherever you're going to place your bullet camera, they have you covered. To the front of the camera is the 1/8 of an inch CMOS camera lens, which is surrounded to the top with 6 powerful LEDs. These spotlights are there to add visible illumination, act as a deterrent, and can be turned on manually from the app or triggered at night depending on the light settings. Reolink's official product page says the camera delivers full night vision without the need for spotlights or infrared lights. And its Atlas comparison page says the series uses Color X instead of the traditional IR-based black and white night vision. We'll check out that later in the video. Underneath the unit is a USB-C socket covered by a waterproof silicone cover. These can be used to charge the unit or plug directly into the solar panel. Adjacent to this is a very powerful speaker that doubles as a siren or two-way communications. A little further along is the second silicone cover that houses the microSD slot that can be used to hold a local storage of up to 512GB, plus a multifunction button for pairing and reset. Next, let's have a look at the impressive features that make the Reolink Altas Bullet stand out in the crowded security camera market. The Reolink Altas Bullet is built for year-round readiness, delivering dependable security even in harsh winter conditions and temperatures as low as -20. This is where that super feature comes into its own with its high capacity battery. It's designed to last for up to 540 days in motion triggered mode, based on around 5 minutes of recording each day. That extended battery life makes it a strong fit for locations with limited sunlight or for users who want long-term protection without frequent recharges. When paired with the 6-watt Reolink Solar Panel 2, the Altas Bullet 2 can maintain pre-recordings with as little as 1 hour of direct sunlight each day. For users running continuous recordings or pre-recordings, roughly 45 minutes of daily sunshine with a 6-watt panel is stated to help maintain operation. That solar support makes the camera a strong option for long-term outdoor use with less need to take down for charging or charging at all. Multiple recording modes allow you to choose between maximum efficiency and more complete surveillance coverage. Its battery optimized setting is ideal for stretching run times in colder climates, while the motion focus mode is tuned to respond quickly to activity around your home. For users who want more content around each alert, the advanced recording options help you preserve more of what happens before and during the event. The Atlas can deliver up to roughly 2 weeks of operation on a full charge when using its pre-event capture mode. If set to full-time recording, the endurance drops to about 8 days, or around 336 hours, making it better suited for short-term use. This gives it solid flexibility for busier areas where you want broad coverage without permanent wiring for power. The pre-recording feature helps capture the moments leading up to the motion event, so you see more than just the trigger point. By saving a short clip before the PIR sensor fully reacts, it adds useful content and reduces the chance of missing the start of the incident. This makes it especially valuable for front door monitoring, where the key action often happens before the person is fully in frame. The Atlas Bullet is designed to pulse in significantly more available light at night from its large low f-stop CMOS sensor. This helps preserve color and detail where traditional IR cameras often fall back to a monochrome footage. This allows the scene to appear much brighter and more natural, making vehicles, people and surroundings easier to identify after dark. The result is clearer, more useful night images without relying on the typical black and white infrared look. Another added advantage of this huge CMOS sensor with advanced AI processing is that glare is virtually eliminated, something that older infrared cameras suffer badly from. The Atlas Bullet supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, giving it more reliable wireless performance for best viewing and remote placement around your home. With access to both 2.4 and 5 GHz, it is better equipped to maintain a stable connection while offering a stronger coverage around different environments. It also adds WPA3 security, helping keep your footage and camera connection better protected against unwanted access. In my testing, the Atlas Bullet 3 actually outperformed the Atlas PT Ultra for both range, stability, and direct connection speed. Oh, and they even threw in Bluetooth, so the setup is super simple and quick, as I'll show you. It has advanced AI detection for recognizing people, vehicles and animals, and more accurately, helping it cut down on unwanted alerts from general movement. When activity is detected, instant notifications let you know straight away, while the built-in spotlight and siren can act as an immediate deterrent. Together, these features make the camera better at both identifying meaningful events and help you respond faster when something actually matters. With a 6-watt Reolink solar panel 2, the Atlas Bullet can potentially make ongoing operations with as little as around 1 hour of direct sunlight each day. And with a 4-meter cable and adjustable panel positioning to help place the panel where it can achieve the most sunshine. The Atlas Bullet supports local recording on a microSD card of up to 512 GB, giving you the ability to keep a large amount of footage on the camera itself without ongoing subscription costs. It also offers broader storage flexibility through the Reolink Hub or Hub Pro integration for centralized cross-camera management, while optional cloud support adds the offsite backup for the uploaded recordings, giving you the 3-2-1 ideal camera recording strategy peace of mind. And finally, the Reolink Atlas Bullet is built for tough outdoor use, with an IP66 rated weatherproof resistant design that can handle rain, snow, dust, high heat without compromising reliability, with an operating range from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius. And flexible mounting options, is designed to deliver dependable performance in a wide range of installation environments, even the Australian sun. Open the Reolink application. Press the plus icon in the top right hand corner. Scan the QR code on the underneath the device and select Manual Input or LAN. Select to either connect your device to the Home Hub or standalone. I'll be selecting Use with my Home Hub. Read the connection warnings and press Confirm. Select if your Atlas will be on the same LAN as your phone. In my case it will be, so I'll select Already within the same LAN. The connection can take some time, so be patient. The application will ask you to power on the device. You should do this by pressing the power next to the microSD card for 5 seconds. Now press Next. Confirm that you have heard the voice prompts by ticking the box and pressing Next. Now this is where the Bluetooth comes in handy to make the process smooth and painless as possible. Once success has been confirmed, select the Reolink Hub Wi-Fi you wish to connect to. Select 5 GHz for close and quick, or 2.4 GHz for distance but with a slower connection. You'll see a connection successful. Now press Next. The camera will initialize. Next, give your Atlas a name and press Next. Then you get some warnings about usage for best results. Press Next. The device has now successfully been added to your Home Hub. Leave the tick box at the bottom and it will save a QR code to access the Atlas Bullet via later. Super handy and something that all manufacturers should do. Press Next. And that's it. Your Atlas Bullet is successfully installed and configured and ready for your Reolink Home Hub to use. Reolink already make arguably the best security cameras in the industry, and if you think about it from an ecosystem and interoperability, they are class leaders. Their top-rated camera from my testing has been the Atlas PT Ultra. Outstanding battery life, PTZ control, dual band Wi-Fi, and excels in virtually every category. Yet the Atlas Bullet holds its own in most categories. The Atlas Bullet even has a 9% longer battery life at 540 days. It's smaller and less obvious. It's more of a set and forget style. Yes, it only has 2K as opposed to the Ultra's 4K, but that just makes it quicker to respond, which is actually noticeable. Not to mention, it's also cheaper. In this side-by-side comparison at 1 AM, allowing for brightness and contrast adjustments, the images are very hard to separate. At 6:10 AM, which is traditionally one of the hardest times for security cameras due to the light levels, both cameras' images are clear and easy to make out, even the robot which is 15 meters away. While at 11:30 AM in bright sunlight, I'd say the Ultra holds a small lead based on color saturation. The Reolink Atlas Bullet, what do I think? I believe it's a true hidden gem of battery-powered security cameras. It bats way above its cost at 169 Australian RRP, which is 60% of the price of the Ultra, even more at sale time. It has one of, if not the longest lasting batteries in class, has AI night vision, full connectivity specifications with dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And all this packed into an innocent looking, comparably small bullet-shaped camera. And did I mention that along with all Reolink cameras, it's compatible with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, and has the best in-class integration with HomeAssistant. So, would I recommend it? Yes. I've bought another 2, and I already have a lot of security cameras. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then hit that like button, comment and share. And if you want to have access to similar material, then subscribe or maybe become a channel member and get early access to material plus other perks. And if you want to join other like-minded people, then why not join the Discord channel where smart home enthusiasts meet to solve each other's issues. And if I've helped you with a purchasing decision, then why not a super thanks or a PayPal donation? It's really appreciated. Until the next one.